Good morning. What's up, what's up, what's up? We have finally made it to San Juan, Puerto Rico. One of our favorite spots. Today is going to be the chillest day I think we've ever had on a cruise. Why is that?
Because we're not doing anything. We have been here so many times that we have done all pretty much touristy things. So we are going to appease to our oldest son, our aspiring fashion designer.
Yeah.
And the sun just came out
like God bless us.
But we are going to appease to him, and we're gonna go shopping, which is something we never do in a port. We never go to the malls. We never do anything
None
like
of
that. So we're going to go to the mall. We're planning to go to the Mall of San Juan, but there's two really big malls, and we're gonna show you some fashion-y stuff, and then we're probably gonna catch some yummy lunch because you can't come to San Juan and not eat mofongo and get a real pina colada.
Yes.
So that's what we have planned today. Chilling and shopping. We are at the mall, or the Plaza Las Americas, and it is a 3-story designer huge mall in San Juan, Puerto Rico. Not in the typical old San Juan, but in San Juan downtown, and it is very easy to get to by Uber from the cruise port.
This place is massive.
Massive.
Christmas is coming, the snowflakes will be falling. It's the most wonderful time of year. So hang up your stockings, put the tinsel on the tree, because Christmas is coming, my dear. It's the only time of year the reindeer fly. You can see them on their sleigh ride across the sky. Gather all your family round, or go out and paint the town. It's the only time of year the whole wide world turns upside down.
So we just finished up at Plaza Las Americas, me and the fam, and we had a good time. This mall is massive. If you're ever in San Juan, it's about a 15-minute, maybe a 20-minute drive, if that, from the port to one of the largest malls in San Juan. They've got a little bit of everything in there for you, and you know, your boy had to do a little shopping, and now I'm gonna actually give them a surprise. You know I love cocktails, you know I love bars. Unfortunately, we're not here until the end of the night. However, the bar is open. I'm talking about one of the top 50 bars in the world, top 10 bar in the world to be exact. It's called La Factoria. They're actually doing lunch. We're gonna have some drinks, and I'm gonna show you what that's about. Might not be like our Aruba experience video, but this place here, OMG. They don't know about it yet, so it's a big surprise. Hello. Okay, so here's something that we had no idea. In San Juan right now, if you're going to go to a restaurant, you have to have your vaccination card. And there is a certain date that has to be on that particular card. So if you're coming down, you want to travel and you want to get some good, authentic eats, or you just want to eat, period, as of right now, in San Juan, you must have a vaccination card or a photo of your card before any restaurant can seat you. So we just tried 3 different ones. We had no idea. So we're just gonna go back on the ship, grab a bite, and we'll catch it next time.
I got you strawberry lemonade.
What's up?
We're back on the ship from a very hot and humid day in San Juan. So we went to the mall. Absolutely fabulous time at the Plaza Las Americas. Didn't get to go to the Mall of San Juan.
No, didn't get a chance
because
there.
we didn't get enough time to get the Uber to go to back and forth.
Right.
We were trying to eat some local eats. We went to three restaurants.
3.5.
But we didn't know. If you come to San Juan, bring your vaccination cards with you.
The actual card, or you can take a photocopy of the card, but preferably the card.
Because all the restaurants in San Juan require you to have a vaccination card or a copy of your negative COVID test, but it has to be within the 72 hours.
Yes.
We had the COVID test or the copy, but it wasn't within 72
Not within
hours.
72 hours of coming here.
So we could not eat in the local restaurants. So
But-
no peas and rice.
No mofongo.
No pina coladas. We couldn't even go in the bars. We couldn't go anywhere inside an establishment.
Nope.
So,
But it's all good.
but it's all good.
Because now we are about to change that.
We have come back to the ship.
Back to the ship.
We have.
Let me show y'all how hungry we are right now. Let me show you how we do it and why 6-pack Terry ain't ready.
We have so much. See, Terry.
You know what that is?
That is
The shack attack. And some some chicken tenders. I'm not gonna eat all that. I just wanted to show y'all.
I look like a pig.
Got some chocolate cake
But,
over here. This is all her food, by the way. See,
I
I'm
have
doing
a hot
good.
dog, and I have some chicken shawarma, and some cookies, and some salted caramel gelato.
So you see, we about to throw down.
The one thing that we were able to get, if you ever do come to San Juan and you want to try some absolute deliciousness, go to Señor Paletas and get yourself a popsicle.
As many times as we've been coming here, we
We've been here
always
so
walk
many
by.
times
We
and we
hear
walk
about
by,
it and we're like,
we're like,
it's
oh, we'll
just
get it on the way back.
ice cream,
We'll get it on the way
popsicle.
back. Y'all, I bought 2.
We're good.
They were so good. I had the strawberry mojito and the dulce de leche because I think you guys know I have a thing for caramel. You had the
Goodness.
fresa limonada, which is strawberry lemonade.
Say that again. That was
Fresa
sexy.
limonada. And as our oldest son kept saying, "Dog,
This is so good.
this is so good.
So good.
All right,
He
so
would just stop and be like,
just want to give y'all a quick update because I gotta eat.
yeah,
Yeah, boy, it's hungry.
wait.
We'll catch y'all a little later.
Hello, everyone. Tonight we are having dinner in Chibang. I just wanted to say it like that, but it is Carnival's newest restaurant that is a fusion of Mexican and Chinese food. So you get an option of ordering from their Mexican menu or you get an option of ordering from their Chinese menu. And everybody here tonight ordered something from each one because everything looks amazing. Like my particular order, I ordered the queso for my appetizer and then I switched sides and went to the sweet and sour shrimp with some jasmine rice and then went back to Mexico for 2 desserts because I couldn't help myself with the coconut tres leche and of course crema catalana because I love flan. So looking forward to dinner and we'll show you all the food when it gets here.
My name is Annie. I'm going to take care for your food order, okay?
I want to say small mistake of complaining that Kiera's food had more food on the plate. We ordered the same dish and Kiera appeared to have more of her sweet and sour shrimp. And our wonderful server, Annie, heard me whispering to Kiera that she had more food. So what does she do? She runs to the kitchen and has the chef make me more sweet and sour shrimp, which was delicious, by the way. I'm so stuffed, y'all, but she brought me off this food.
Hey! Excellent, guys. Excellent, 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 excellent. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Go! 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop where you are, Lance. It's okay. Hold it in the air. That was a good attempt. Come on. Lance, if you could place that on the tray, it's going to remain in full view, just like this cube here. And Ashley, could you bring that to me, please? Now, you didn't quite solve it, Lance, but what if you did something even more magical? What if you managed to, let's have a look, match one side, 2 sides, 3, 4, 5, 6. All 6 sides match. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Lance! And that there is a perfect matrix. So what is the matrix? Let's find out. We then decided we're going to take the Mardi Gras on this dream vacation to Iceland, eat nothing but sushi, and the whole thing was going to cost $25. Yeah. One thing you didn't know was a week ago I had a very vivid dream about this very cruise, about this very show, and about this very moment. I woke up and I started writing it down in a document which was then signed by 5 random participants. That document was then placed inside a glass tube. Dramatic purposes. Here are the 5 signatures from the 5 participants. And in this dream, I woke up and I was plagued with fire trucks. I then left my room and I realised I was on a ship bound for Iceland. I couldn't find any food until I found a mountain of sushi. Nothing but sushi. And then I looked at the bill, and the bill came to exactly $25. But the best part about it, a man named Roger from Indiana paid for the entire thing. Please put your hands together for your magician, Josh Stevendale. Once again, put your hands together for your magician, Josh